In this example, I want to automate a custom trial status to assign to all new signups to my site who have not yet created a subscription. My first step is to build out my segment using the relevant filters and save to my list of smart groups. In Zapier, I want to select entry into this smart group as the trigger to automate the status update. Once this is set up, any new signups who have not created a premium plan will enter the smart group, triggering the Zap to automatically update their default contact status to my custom trial status. I set Go Squared as both the trigger and the action in Zapier, with the action now set to update the user profile. I'll set user email addresses as the required identifier. Then, in the status field, I type in my custom status. Once the Zap is activated, any new users who enter the smart group going forwards will automatically be updated to trial status. This will help me segment my new signups more accurately and send personalized engagement messaging which is relevant to their stage of the user journey with my product.